G'day everyone, Scott here. Just wanted to show you a quick video on the sweet sound of biochar being made. So, got this beautiful, nice, still night, so I've taken advantage to create some biochar, which is basically charcoal without oxygen. So inside that drum is another drum, and it's basically airtight except for a couple holes at the bottom, which release the pressure of the inside timber being burnt through pyrolysis. And I just wanted you to listen to the sweet sound of it raw. Ooh, that's hot.